So Ethereum is the programming language running on the blockchain, and Ether is the name of the currency that Ethereum uses. So when you buy Ethereum, you're buying Ether, but it's all part of the same network, basically. Now, Dapps can be built and run without any sort of fraud or third-party interference, and that's why they are useful and will probably become quite influential in the next, 10 years or so. Also, Ethereum is really cool because you can make smart contracts as well. And a smart contract is self-executing. So basically you sort of program what you want the contract to do. Like if you want to get a driver's license or something, and you don't have to go through any third party. You don't even have to use, you wouldn't have to use a lawyer or go through a legal system. It would basically be processed and recorded and protected by the smart contract.